Hello students, welcome to Rec TV. This is Kalyan and I am the faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So in this session also we are going to do one more problem based on the trigonometric identities. See, you have to do the number of problems to get a grip over these identities. Actually these are three identities only, but the number of applications can be solved, understood, and your capabilities depends upon your practice. Okay, and how you apply the technique, in which term we have to apply the formula will make you sure for getting all the answers. That's it. Okay, anyways, so here cos theta by 1 minus sin theta, we need to show that cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus 1 minute, okay, plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta will be equal to what? 2 secant theta. So this is LHS part and we need to show this equal to RHS part. Let us take LHS. What is LHS? Cos theta by 1 minus sin theta plus cos theta by 1 plus sin theta. You don't need to do anything, just take LCM, it will be solved. Okay, so now take LCM. LCM means we need to multiply this, just like cross multiplication. Do this, what happens? Cos theta into 1 plus sin theta. So cos theta into 1 plus sin theta plus cos theta into 1 minus sin theta. So these two are multiplied together, 1 minus sin theta, right? We need to multiply them together. Then here 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta. So is this a procedure to take LCM or not? Yes. So this is what we need to do. Now first of all, simplify the numerator part. What do you do? Generally we do multiply with these two and these two are to be multiplied. Now first do the multiplication with this. Cos theta into 1, that would be cos theta, plus cos theta into sin theta means cos theta sin theta, right? Plus cos theta into 1, that is cos theta. Cos theta into sin theta means minus into plus, that is minus. Symbols are also should be multiplied, no? So therefore cos theta into sin theta, that is cos theta sin theta. And this entire expression by 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus sin theta, as we know that this is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. Denominator is in the form of what? A plus b into a minus b, which is an algebraical identity. Okay, that is a plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. So therefore a plus b, a minus b into a plus b. Here a is 1 and b is sin theta, means a plus b into a minus b into a plus b, means a square minus b square or not. So we can write this as 1 square minus sin square theta, right? Anyways, so here cos theta sin theta term is repeated twice but with reverse signs, so we can make them cancel. So cos theta and cos theta 2 times we got. When it is added 2 times, it will be 2 cos theta by 1 minus sin, this is 1 square means 1 itself, no, minus sin square theta. Again here we need to use what? Trigonometric identity. What it is? Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. From this what can we say? Here sin square theta is sent to another side, then plus sin square theta becomes minus, so therefore cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square theta, right? So here 1 minus sin square theta can be written as cos square theta. So here in denominator part 1 minus sin square theta is there, no? We can replace that with cos square, right? So that would be 2 cos theta by cos square theta. As you know that here also cos theta is there in the numerator part, in denominator part cos square theta is there, we can cancel one of them and therefore 2 by cos theta is remained. Okay, now we can again write this as 2 into 1 by cos theta or not. Now we know that cos theta and secant theta are reciprocals of each other, then 1 by cos theta can be written as what? Secant theta. So therefore 2 into this 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta. I think we obtained our required part. Okay, so this is what? Our RHS. So hence we could obtain, what do we need? Here we took LHS, which is this part, and we obtained RHS, which is this part. That's it. So like this we have to solve all the problems. What and all the problems we are doing? Just making use of those three identities, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1, and cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1. By making use of them, we can solve thousands of problems, not hundreds also. So many problems we can solve.
Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon for the more updates.